Hey Bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you're joining in to plan with me today. So in this video, we will be planning for the week of August 23rd through the 29th, and I will be using the Spoonful of Faith stickers. And I'm super excited to get into these stickers, so if you want to see what I create, you already know. Stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right in, you guys, here are the stickers that I pulled. And yes, y'all, that sticker with all the girls, all the women, in like the large sticker, I was just feeling it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna use it in this spread. And I think the best way to put it on the spread, honestly, is in the middle. Like, I just didn't feel like any other spot would do it, the justice that I wanted in my horizontal for the week. So in the middle is where we're placing it. And I just love it. I love what it signifies, the unity and just how beautiful all of us are. Even in our differences, we're all beautiful. And I just love the woman empowerment that it promotes and just everything about it. All of the girls, their different styles and just their different looks and everything is so beautiful. So I'm just honored to have a beautiful sticker and some artwork that represents that. Okay, so all I'm doing here is I'm going to actually use my whiteout and try to make this look seamless down the page. And I'm going to leave this kind of in the middle, and I'm going to take my X-Acto knife to try to clean up where I kind of overran the whiteout a bit, just to make it a little bit neater. And y'all, I love this sticker. Jenna, you did your thing, girl. Okay, so I thought what would be nice was to use some of these florals, and I was going for a like blue and orange kind of color palette this week. I thought that would be nice to go with the girls. So initially I'm like, maybe I should just put some, like, line the florals down the page, because I didn't want it to be too much in the middle. But I don't know, I started that and I was like, no, I'm gonna switch that up. And I'm going to actually border them with some florals. They're so beautiful. And I just really want this to be my main focus, like my main decor piece. So that's what we're doing here. And I'm just going to place me some all around them. I love these colors, this orange color. It's just so pretty. And y'all, the girls are just giving. They are giving. I'm just so happy. I've wanted to do this spread for a while, so ever since I got the sticker books, honestly. And I'm like, yes, we're gonna do it this week. Okay, so I'm just cleaning it up. And my tip for this, and the reason why I like to do this, you can totally not do this and just put your stickers down, but I feel like it gives like a cleaner effect when you do use like a whiteout or some whiteout pens to, make sure your stickers look seamless. And I'm going to go back into my sticker book here, and I'm going to pull me some smaller florals. I didn't pull these initially because I was just looking at the blue and the orange, but I think it would be helpful to bring in some of these other colors too, like that baby pink, that blush pink color, and like that gold color. Look at these florals. Those are beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm just bordering my girls and almost make it look like, I guess my inspiration for this was just like a mural, if that makes sense. I've seen like some murals in different cities where they have like a cluster of people like that they're like honoring or celebrating, or just different styles of people, like showcasing their different styles, and they'll have like some florals around them or something, or some type of other decorative element. And so that's what I was just coming up with in my head when I was thinking about what to do with this design. So I'm actually going to remove this because I felt like I didn't want to put too many florals all around and it started to look uneven. So I'm going to remove some of these, and on the actual right side of this sticker, and I think I'm going to just kind of see if I could just border it around the bottom, but I don't know, it still looks a little one-sided, I guess. So I think this top right corner and then the bottom left of the girls will look nice. So I'm gonna place me some there. just to my little heart satisfaction. You guys, didn't really have a rhyme or reason for this. I just wanted it to look nice to the eye. And so that's what I was going for. And placing some stickers back because, I kind of pulled several because I wasn't sure how many I was going to use. And then also, I'm not sure if I'm going to put florals anywhere else. Like I said, this is my main decor piece. And typically, when you do something this large, especially dealing with larger stickers, you kind of only want something, especially with it being in the center, you guys. You just want this one thing. So, I feel like I like this. I like this better. I like how it looks. It gives me a little bit more balance. So now I'm going to go in with my boxes. And I'm going to place this orange box on Monday. And then I want one on Sunday as well. And yes, I do know that my Sunday and Saturday are covered up, but they're transparent. This is a transparent clear sticker, so you can still see it a little bit through the girls. But I'm just trying to see what I can find that's blue as far as boxes go to put on Sunday, because I want something outside of that orange. I want some more of that blue color. So I kept feeling like I couldn't find anything, and I did have this one, but that orange is not as bright. There's two different oranges in this book. There's a brighter orange that's like, the one on Monday, and then there's like a more pumpkin orange with the girl in it. And I didn't really like that orange, but I'm trying to see what else I can find. And I do love these books have several different options and all the colors and everything in them. But I was trying to stick to like these two main colors and then possibly bring in that blush in gold later. But for sure I want blue and orange on these two boxes. So I gotta find me a blue box. I wasn't sure about that when I was pulling stickers, but now that I have my girls down, I can kind of see the direction that I want to go. And you guys, in this book, there's not a lot of that actual true royal blue color. They either have like that Carolina type blue or they have a navy. So I was trying to decide which blue I actually want to use. And so here I am just flipping through my books to see what all my options are, to see how many boxes I have of each color, to make sure that I won't find myself in a situation where I don't have enough of like one blue color over the other. And there's tons of like navy blue boxes in these sticker books, so I decided to go with the navy. And I find this bigger one, which I think is perfect. I really do, for that spot. It actually has a floral in it versus a girl. I didn't want any boxes with girls in it. I know this may sound like very tedious, and you can clearly white out all these spots, but I don't know, you guys. I was just playing it, and this is just like the mood that I was in when I was pulling these stickers. So I'm going to place that one down, and I'm more so pulling it towards the bottom because it is so big, and it would serve great for either like a gratitude or like a major checklist. So, and then I find this navy blue skinny box to add some balance over there. And then I find this other bright orange box that I can put on Sunday to notate, we got church on Sunday. And yes, okay, so I'm liking where I'm going with this. And now I'm just gonna go in, and I'm gonna actually bring in some of those other colors, that gold and that blush color. So I find these listed out stickers, and I thought that would be a great contrast. So when you're doing your clusters, you can do some of them the same, but then also try to find some that are different, some other functional stickers that are different. And so because I'm going to use these listed out, I don't think I'm going to bring in checklist, like my checklist stencil. So I'm going to actually use these as my list for the week. And I like it, you guys. I like it. It's giving me the balance. And so I'm going to add in some layers, and I'm going to find some spots for me to put some boxes. And so I have like this little nudish blush one, and I was trying to decide if I should put it on Saturday or Friday, but based off of my schedule, I feel like it'll be more fitting for Friday. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually place it on Friday, and I'm going to lift up my little flowers I'm actually going to lift up both of them to make sure, that they work with my box. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to find me a gold box. I actually pulled one. I'm going to put it on Thursday. And I like it, you guys. And so I disconnected those. I didn't do the layers like I initially planned. And so I actually like it that way. It's not too matchy. And then the different size boxes to help with that as well. And so I'm going to find me some more layering pieces. And I find these important and remember stickers, like little labels. And that's why I love these in the sticker books, because you can just layer them over your boxes and it adds more to the spread. Obviously you're labeling it according to what you may use it for, but I think it adds to the decorative element also. Okay, so I felt like this spread needed just a little bit more of a balance, like an anchor, I guess you could say. And so because these girls are like black and white technically, with a little bit of shaded color here and there, I thought it would be nice to pull in some black and white washi. So I just pulled a couple of pieces that I have, like different types, and I actually got these washi tapes from Amazon. And yes, you guys, I thought that I would probably like put them more prevalent on the spread, but then once I got to looking at it, I felt like just a little bit was enough. And so I'm going to put just a little bit over here on this cluster. And I'm trying to see, like, I'm playing around with layers. I always like to do this. I like to layer on top of the washi stickers and things. So, but I didn't like those. Those were a little small for me. So I'm going to actually just put my washi down and just see how it works out. And I like how that looks. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to put some on Monday on this cluster. I don't like it on the inside, so I'm going to move it to the outside and just put like little small pieces, just a couple of pieces, just to add another like little pop to the spread. It's what I was going for. And so I feel like this washi tape is doing it for me. And yes, I like it, y'all. I like it a lot. And so I'm just going to clean up my washi a little bit. And sometimes I like to use my gift card to give it like a messier, like ripped effect. And then sometimes I like it for it to be clean. So I went for like a little ripped effect for this spread. Okay, so now I'm just trying to see what other layering elements, and I decide to cover up the listed out. I find these little washi strip stickers, and I find one in orange, and I actually find one in gold. So I thought those would be nice to place over the listed out. It covers it up perfectly. And I can add some more blue into the spread by using these little quote strips and doing some layering that way. And initially I was like, I'm going to cut it all off. But I actually like the extension of these washi strips on the spread. They add a different layer. Like it gives another design element to it. And I'm just trying to see what else I can add to the washi tape pieces that I put in the other clusters before I commit to cutting those off and leaving them alone. And I actually find this flag like sticker that says Weekend Adventure. And I find a shorter one that says Reminder. So I thought those were perfect in the color. So now I'm going to make the decision and go ahead and just, slice up my little washi tape. Okay, so I like it, you guys. I'm feeling the spread, and I feel like it's just simple, but like whenever you do a bigger decorative piece, you can just do simple little clusters around your spread and it'll still remain functional for you. And I'm satisfied. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just, cut up my spread, cut it down the middle so I can punch it and pop it in my planner for the week. And I really, really like it, you guys. I love the Spoonful of Faith collection in general. And so I'm just excited to, have this in my planner for the week. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning up where I overran the little white out. And I actually put a sticker down here with those florals. And I haven't cleaned them up yet because I didn't know if I was going to put something that would camouflage it anyway. But since I did it, I'm just going to clean it up a bit. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for my spread. Let me know how you feel about it. Have you used these stickers yet? What color palettes are you pulling from the sticker book? I would love to hear all of your thoughts. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I love you guys. Thank you for being so sweet and so kind. Until next time, bye.